Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a beautiful Christmas centerpiece DIY. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos. For this centerpiece, I am using a dough bowl that I picked up at TJ MAXX. It came as a 3-piece set, and that's the longer one of the 3, and it's about 12 inches. You're also going to need a block of foam, and I cut mine to about 8 inches. You're going to need some greenery picks, and I picked up these 5 greenery picks at Hobby Lobby when Christmas was 50% off. You're going to need 3 of the white poinsettias, or whatever color that you would like. You're going to need 2 of the berry picks. You're going to need 4 of the gold leaf picks and 3 of the gold glitter balls. I think I did them out of order, but I'll write it down for you in the description box. I did have to trim almost all of the picks shorter, and then I cut the foam to about 8 inches. Make sure you fluff and shape your flowers and your picks, and also you might want to cover your foam with some moss first before you start adding your floral picks. I didn't cover mine first, but it's a good idea if you want to make sure your foam doesn't show to cover it with some moss before you get started. And then there's how my picks look all spread out. So here's my foam, and I am just going to take it and hot glue it in this tray. And you do not have to use a dough bowl or what I'm using. Just something similar will work. I have other tutorials where I've used trays from Dollar Tree, and I'll link some of those tutorials for you in the description box just in case you'd like to check them out. And I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue, and I have it on the low temp setting, so just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. Let it have time to sit and dry. And here my son's helping me trim some of the picks shorter. First, I'm starting with the greenery, so I'm placing 1 on the left end, now 1 on the right end, and we did cut these shorter. Taking 1, placing it on the back side in the center, and then I'll place 1 on the front in the center. I usually do a pattern. What I do on the left, I try to do on the right. What I do on the front, I try to do on the back. It does not have to be perfect, and you'll see that mine does not match perfectly this time, and that's okay. Just try to do it close. Also, you could add some hot glue onto the end of your pick before you push it into the foam. I like to reuse my picks, so I don't usually hot glue mine in. Now I'm taking one of the gold leaf picks, placing it at an angle on the left side. Make sure you fluff and shape your picks. And then I'm going to place 1 on the right corner at an angle. And this one was a little tough to push in, so my son helped me. I am just placing these gold leaf picks on the 4 corners. So just push it into the foam, kind of at an angle. And remember, it does not have to be perfect, but I like to do a pattern when I do my centerpieces and my floral arrangements. And I have lots of tutorials on centerpieces for different seasons and holidays. So I can link my centerpiece playlist in the description box for you. Also, you will need some shatterproof Christmas ornaments, and you don't have to use pine cones like I'm using. I'm just giving you some ideas. I chose 3 white poinsettias from Hobby Lobby, made sure and fluffed them nice and pretty, and they're a little bit bigger than I was expecting, so I placed 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then I went to the back side and put the 3rd one. We did cut these shorter, actually quite a bit shorter. When you're choosing your flowers, you're going to want to choose a variety of sizes, shapes, and different textures. This week, Hobby Lobby has Christmas 50% off, so it was really crowded today. But what I did was I just gathered my flowers up in my hand and I kind of looked to see what would work and what didn't, and what I didn't like I just put back, and then I just played with it until I was happy with the way it looked in my hand. I just made a little bouquet. So now I'm adding these glitter ball picks, and these are just fun and whimsical and add movement to the centerpiece. This centerpiece is not quite as full as I would like, so I'm going to try to get some more greenery and just kind of fill in a little bit around the bottom edge. I am just mainly placing the 3 gold glitter ball picks in the middle or the center of the arrangement to add some height. So you'll want to save some picks for the center that add height, like the gold berry picks. These 2 picks just kind of add movement and bring your eyes upward. In the comments section, you'll have to let me know what colors you are decorating your home in for Christmas. I haven't done a giveaway on my YouTube channel in a couple of months, so it's time to do a giveaway on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be giving away one $50 Hobby Lobby gift card, and this is not associated or affiliated or endorsed or anything like that by YouTube or anyone. I just wanted to do a little something to say thank you. So I'm going to leave in the description box details about how to enter my giveaway this month. Please do not give away your information to scammers. I will only contact the winner and ask for their mailing address only. Do not give out any of your personal information to scammers. I know last Christmas I had a problem with people trying to scam others, so make sure that you pay attention. My channel has a little check mark by it, keeping it simple crafts. So beware of scammers. That's why I was kind of hesitant to do a Christmas giveaway. Here I am taking some gold shatterproof pine cone Christmas ornaments, and I'm adding 3 to this centerpiece, and I think that's my favorite part of this centerpiece. The pine cones are just something different, kind of unexpected, and I love adding fun, unexpected elements to my centerpieces. They are also a different texture, so remember, choose different textures when you're looking at your floral picks and also your ornaments. And so here's the way it looks, and it's pretty from both sides, so it'd be beautiful on your Thanksgiving dining room table, your Christmas table, coffee table, entry table, just anywhere that you want to use it. I always decorate early for Christmas, so we usually have the Christmas tree up before Thanksgiving, so you'll have to let me know when you decorate. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this centerpiece. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas, and don't forget, if you want to enter my giveaway for Christmas 2023, I'll leave the details in the description box below for you. Thanks so much for watching.